So I'll be working on an original art by Jim Lee. It's called Savage Land Rogue. I just finished the flats of this artwork, so it looks like this. What's this? Wait. Oh boy. What's this? Oh no! What the hell is this? Anyway. I'll just work over it. So I always start coloring the skin tone, the skin. And this is nighttime, so I'll be coloring her in a purple and violet tone, with some blue. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna change the tone, the colors. So I keep on reminding you guys, all those newbie colorists out there who's watching right now, it's not really about, it's not all about coloring. It's also about learning how, learning your basic anatomy. Because if you don't know your basic anatomy, your character colors will be messed up. Like I see some colorists that color the face really awkward. So you really have to brush up on your anatomy. It would be a really big help, if you know your basics. So right now I'm using a soft brush because usually when coloring females, the female anatomy or the female form, it has to be soft. Although they're superheroes that has super strength, it would be awkward to use hard brush with and put chiseled muscles on these beautiful female form. So I think I learned to do that when I was coloring Ale Garza's illustrations, and also Marat Michaels. Oh yeah, I think it was Marat when I colored one of his Battle Fairy covers. He didn't like the idea of his female character with a six pack. So I learned the hard way. Well, at least Marat really helped me a lot. Yeah, Marat, Ale, and these guys are really. Yeah, I have to thank them a lot because I learned a lot from them by doing some um, color commissions and some practice coloring. So anyway, if you're wondering why I'm coloring it blue, because it's set on a nighttime, full moon. So I'm using dark colors here, like a bluish tone, and then I'll be putting a rim light over here on this side. So I think that would be fun. Again, this is a Savage Land Rogue artwork by the master himself, Jim Lee. And yes, I'm not Alex Sinclair, but I'm trying to be him right now. I'm emulating his style. So wish me luck. So there you go. That's my base color. And I'll try to put some rim lights. What is a rim light? I don't know the meaning. I just know how to use it. I know how to use it, but I don't know what's the meaning. What's the definition of rim light? I'm not really well versed on that technical aspects. But hey, I know what I'm doing. So let's make this like a yellowish tone because I don't wanna make it a blue tone, like blue color again. So when coloring rim lights, it's best to use a hard edged brush. Again, basic anatomy is a must. I'll keep reminding that to you guys. So if this tone doesn't work, I will do it again from scratch. I don't like using a lot of layers on my projects. As you can see, I only use 3 layers. As of the moment, I use 3. My maximum is like 7, 6 or 7. This is the flat layer. This is the final colors. This is the line art. Some colorists I admire doesn't use the method I use because like them they use like 5, 8 layers or more. And once I make a mistake, my final colors, I'll just do it again from scratch. And that's fine with me, as long as I give you quality artwork. Oops. I'm For those of you who's watching and wondering what software I'm using a Adobe Photoshop CC 2019 and Wacom 24 HD, a really old one, but very but very reliable. Should I say reliable? I really love Wacom. Not Wacom, it's Wacom. I'll be using the hard brush and color dodge on a few parts of the rim light. Look, what is color dodge? It's a brush mode that makes the colors very bright, vibrant to the point that it would be white. You know, it would have a glow to it, a certain vibrant glow that will make your colors white, reach the white level. I don't really use this because uh, I only use this for effects. So there you have it. See the effect? It's really dramatic. Check it out. Now, how many minutes did I do this? 10 minutes. So there you have it. It's a Savage Land Rogue by Jim Lee and yours truly. I just showed you how to color the skin tone. And again, thanks for watching. And if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, just search my name, Omi Remalante, YouTube. You could subscribe and like. And again, thanks for watching. Have a safe night. Stay healthy. And good night.